next topic in the tuple is tuple packing and unpacking. What is tuple packing and unpacking? So packing means packing multiple values into a single variable. For example, you have a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30, and d is equal to 40. Okay. Now let's say if we have tuple is equal to a comma b comma c comma d. So it is going to pack these four values into a single variable. Now if you'll be printing tuple, it will show that these all values are kept inside the tuple. See, this is what? This is similar to the this declaration, right? We have created a tuple without giving any bracket here, right? This is similar to that. So by default, your PVM will replace a by 10, b by 20, c by 30, and d by 40, right? So this is going to kept inside a single variable, and that will be giving you a tuple type. So you can check the type here, and that will be giving you tuple type. Clear? Fine. So this is called tuple packing, where you assign multiple values to a single variable. The use of this tuple packing is, swapping two variables. Okay. For example, you have, let's say a comma b is equal to, you can write b comma a, which is nothing but the implementation of tuple packing and unpacking. Now let's say if you will be writing a and b, so you'll see that values are swapped. Okay. A was having 10, b was 20. Now a is having 20 and b is having 10. Okay, fine. Now let's see the tuple unpacking. Now tuple unpacking is, let's say if you have a tuple is equal to some values here. Okay, so you can unpack these values into, for example, you have 6 values, a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f is equal to tuple. Now what it will do, this operation will give you the unpacked value into these variables. Okay. Execute this, you have got these all values unpacked into these 6 variables. Remember, in the case of tuple unpacking, the number of variables and the number of values should match. If it will not match, then it will give you the error. If it is less, then also it will give you the error. And if it is more, then also it will be giving you the error. So don't give extra or don't give less variables. Always give the exact number of variables. Okay. So I think let's do one thing. I'll stop it here. You have discussed a lot of concepts. Okay.